Hi, my name is Cullen, and I'm a Winter Park personal injury attorney. Recently in the state of Florida, there's been a lot of news about lawyer referral services and whether they're a good or a bad idea for consumers. If you live in Central Florida, you've undoubtedly heard the hundreds of different jingles that are on various radio stations in our area telling you about the great benefits of lawyer referral services. And just call this 1-800 number and they'll hook you up with a lawyer, and not only a lawyer but also a doctor. So I want to talk about some things that consumers should think about before they call one of these 800 services and hire a lawyer or doctors from these 800 services. First thing that a consumer should think about is, who are they really getting when they use a referral service at one of these 1-800 services to hire a lawyer? You have no idea. You have no idea who they're going to send you to, whether that person is the right fit for you, whether that person has experience in handling these kinds of cases. You have no idea. You also have no idea about the kind of firm that you're involved with. Do they specialize in personal injury cases? Do they handle them on the side? Do the people that are handling your case, have they ever tried a case? Are they board certified? Are they involved in the community? You don't know anything about them. The second thing that you need to know about these lawyer referral services, many of them are also doctor referral services, and they're very interested in getting you in to see their doctors, and so that their doctors can bill your Florida PIP coverage, personal injury protection coverage. And so when you start to see a doctor that these referral services refer you to, ask yourself, why do they have me coming to the office 5 days a week for treatment? Could it be because there's this pot of insurance that they want? And if this referral service is sending me to a doctor and a lawyer, who's the lawyer really interested in? Is he interested in this doctor getting paid all this insurance money, or is he really interested in me and what's good for me and my case? There's some inherent or possible conflicts of interest in those relationships with the 800 referral services, so you may want to think about that before you go and hire a lawyer through a referral service. The last thing that you need to think about, you need to think a little bit more long term. The lawyer that's involved in your case with the referral service you don't know anything about. But if you hire a lawyer that you actually can see their picture in the yellow pages, or look at their website, get to know them a little bit, watch their videos online, get to know a little bit about who they are before you even decide to go sit down and talk with them. And then when you sit down and talk with them, you can assess for yourself, is this the kind of person who is going to be tied to this community, who's going to have some pride in the work that he does for me? Is this a person that is going to be reliant on the goodwill of his clients and referral sources through the remainder of his career? Or is this somebody that is involved with this referral service and is going to get a call tomorrow with another case from a referral service and two more after that? Is the lawyer that you're hiring, is it the kind of person that has a stake in the community, a stake in your best interest, and is going to do a good job for you, for the sake of you, your family, and any referrals that you might send him afterwards? So these are all things that you want to think about before you decide to go with one of these referral services. There are probably hundreds of other things to think about as well. If you want to talk about that, or talk about some questions that you can ask of any lawyer before you hire them, feel free to call me or my partner Robert Hemphill at 407-254-4901, or visit our website at cullen-hemphill.com.